How to fix Android phone sound delay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Android phone has audio delay like sound lag in videos, games, or Bluetooth headphones, this guide will help you fix it quickly. Follow the steps in order. First, restart your phone. Temporary glitches often cause audio lag. For that, long press on the power button, tap on restart, and restart your phone. Then try to test the sound again after reboot. You can also check your Bluetooth audio delay. This is the most common cause. Bluetooth headphones naturally add delay, but it can be reduced. For that, you need to turn off Bluetooth, tap on it, and test the sound on your phone speaker. If the speaker sound is normal, the issue is Bluetooth latency. To fix Bluetooth delay, you need to use a low latency gaming headphones or gaming modes on your earbuds. You can also disable dual audio or HD audio on your Bluetooth settings. And you also have an option to keep earbuds firmware updated. Once that is done, you can disable audio effects and sound enhancements. Go to settings, go to sound and vibration, and then from there, you need to go ahead and tap on sound effects. Once that is done, make sure you disable Dolby Atmos, loudness normalization, and make sure the equalizer is selected on balance. Now, once that is done, you can test your sounds again, and you should be good to go. You can also turn off battery saver. You can go to settings, go to apps, and then go to affected app. Let me just go ahead and quickly go here. Once that is done, just go ahead and tap on battery and make sure you select unrestricted. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.